Hi everyone. I know that a lot of you went on Quill when we were in school, and the way that you logged in was through Google Classroom. Once I switched it over to Clever so that you could just click on the app, I noticed that it doesn't have any lessons for you. So what I'm going to do is send you a new diagnostic through the Quill app that's from Clever. So when you click on Clever, there'll actually be like a little test. And what this test will do is determine what type of lessons to create for you. So kind of like iReady where you do a diagnostic and then it gives you lessons, same with Quill. So I'm going to give you an example of what you need to do. Once you open it up, it will have a diagnostic ready for you to go, and you answer the questions the best way possible. So here they're giving us a sentence that's incorrect. It says watches the movie. It kind of makes you wonder, well, like who watches the movie? So if I look at the directions, it says add to the group of words to make a complete sentence. Add as few words as possible. So I want to add like one or two or three words to make this sentence correct. So watches the movie doesn't sound right, but I could say maybe fix that. The class watches the movie. And that sounds better. And then I hit submit. My friend from school. Here, what about the friend from school? So I have to add some words. So what this test is actually doing is testing to see if you can tell when a sentence is a fragment, when it's missing a noun, or when it's missing a subject or a predicate. So my friend from school is very nice. I added three words, and please make sure that you notice that I'm putting a period here. Some of you, the last time you did the diagnostic, didn't type in those periods and it marked you wrong that way. It says fill in the blank, a and the. In this section, each sentence will have two or three blanks. You'll fill in the blank with one of the words from a list, or you'll leave the blank empty if no word is needed, and then it tells me to continue. So I have a sentence. I have blank friend named Marco who loves blank football. So it gives me three articles to choose from, the, and a. And the directions say fill in each blank with one of the articles. You may also leave a blank empty. So one of these can actually be left alone. So let's see. I have the friend, I have an friend, I have a friend. So a sounds better. I have a friend named Marco who loves the football and football, a football. Either one sounds kind of weird. He loves the football. So that's why I think it sounds better without something. So let's see. I have a friend named Marco who loves football. So that's okay. So then I hit submit. And then it gives me another one. So I'm going to stop there. But you're going to have something similar to that. So I want you to do your best on this diagnostic. And then what it does, it creates lessons based off of the ones you got wrong. So let's say you got wrong how to capitalize sentences. It will give you lessons on how to capitalize sentences. So please make sure you try your best so that the lessons that they give you are accurate to the things that you need more practice on. And if you have any questions, make sure to message me on Google Classroom. Bye.